Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the Solo Stove Pi Pizza Oven, a portable and affordable alternative to custom backyard pizza ovens. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Solo Stove Pi Pizza Oven is designed for everyone, whether you're a cooking enthusiast or not so patient in the kitchen. It's made of stainless steel, providing a fast and easy way to make delicious pizzas using either propane or wood as fuel. Setting up the Pi Pizza Oven is a breeze, with no assembly required. It comes with an optional gas burner for propane use, which you can easily attach to the oven. The essential bundle includes everything you need, from a pizza stone and infrared thermometer to peels and a pizza cutter. The Pi Pizza Oven offers a learning curve, but with some practice, you'll get the hang of it. You can use either store-bought or homemade dough, and Solo Stove even provides recipes to guide you. Preheating takes about 15 minutes, and you can cook a 12-inch pizza in just 2 minutes. Our reviewer faced some challenges with the initial pizzas, but after a few attempts, they were able to make delicious pies. Frozen pizzas worked well, but homemade dough provided the best results, especially when using wood as fuel. In conclusion, the Solo Stove Pi Pizza Oven is a fantastic option for those who crave a wood-fired pizza experience without the expense of a full brick oven. It's easy to set up, and with practice, you'll be making great pizzas in no time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.